Tracking an area of interest that we need to watch closely as we approach the weekend. From the Storm Center, I'm Jeff Huffman. That area of interest is very close to home, just offshore of the first coast here in Florida, up into the Carolinas. National Hurricane Center says there is a low chance that something tropical could form here Sunday, Monday, or Tuesday. Model data suggesting it would drift southwestward toward the Sunshine State, and then unsettled conditions could continue and move into the Gulf by the middle of next week. If you're scratching your head here, this is nothing unusual. In fact, back in 2012, remember Tropical Storm Beryl formed, looked like it was headed for the Carolinas. It turned around, moved right into the first coast, moving southwestward in late May. Also, 2012, a good example of how storms can form very close to home this time of year. We had Debbie 2 years ago, almost to this very date, cause all kinds of trouble there in north central Florida. So what is going on here? It's a trough of low pressure and a stalled front, and these fronts have to be watched closely at the beginning of the season and at the end of the season. And we have a little spin, a little area of low pressure developing here south of Charleston. This is Saturday afternoon, Saturday night. It may be easier to see if I show you the wind fields here on Future Track. And by the way, I'm only going to take Future Track out to Saturday night for you because data thereafter is a bit sketchy. But you can even see a little center of circulation developing here on Saturday. Of course, the winds aren't very strong, only in the 20, maybe 25 mile per hour range, but there's certainly something we have to watch as it drifts southwestward Sunday into Monday. I think at the very least expect some heavy rain early next week. As of right now, early projections are that parts of the state would see 2, maybe 3 inches of rain, central and south Florida especially. But it all depends on the track. So we've got a very weak, I'll call it a wandering low. All right, we're going to wonder where it goes and how strong it'll be. But as of right now, the bottom line is expect some unsettled weather Monday and Tuesday across parts of the peninsula. And of course, I will keep you updated, so stay tuned.